Welcome to my classroom, students. In this video, I'm going to share with you a puzzle asked by one of my technically amazing student, Perren. So I'm naming the video also Perren's puzzle, just giving the puzzle his name. So basically, the puzzle is that you use three numbers, 0, 0, 0. The numbers have to be same. And using the symbols multiply, divide, add, subtract, square root, factorial, all of these symbols you can use, but you cannot bring a new number in order to prove the equality. So for example, I can use any symbols between these zeros, and using those symbols, I have to prove that the result is 6. So on and so forth for all the numbers up to 9. So I hope I made sense of what the puzzle is actually asking. So for example, let us try for 6. What can I have for 6's? In order to prove it, I can do 6 plus 6, and which is 12, minus 6 gives me 6. So I use these two symbols between the numbers and proved it. So I'm going to show you the proof of this for every number in my next page here. So let Perren fly away. You'll see Perren's name flying away here. So there it goes. Okay. Now I'm going to start with 0. So 0. For 0, I'm going to use the factorial symbol. So you really need to know factorials for that. Now factorial is basically you back multiply from that number to 1. So 0 factorial is 1 plus 1 plus 1. And that gives me 3. I again do the factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So I have proved it for 0 here. Next up, 1, 1, 1. How do I make it 6? I will do the factorial of 1 plus 1 plus 1. Factorial of all of it after adding, which is 3 factorial. And 3 factorial is nothing but 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So I got 6 here, 6 here. All right. Next up, we have 2, 2, 2. How will I solve for 2? Pretty easy. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So not a lot of work needed for this one. Done. All right. For 3, 3, 3, 3, how is that 6? Let's see. 3 times 3 minus 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 will give me back 6. So we got a 6 on that one too. All right, 4, 4, 4. So 4, 4, I will have 4 plus 4 minus square root of 4. And you'll see it'll come out as 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Square root of 4 is 2. Sorry, 2 without the square root. 8 minus 2 is 6. Done. All right, 5. 5, 5, 5. This one is also easy. 5 plus 5 divided by 5 in parentheses. So I'll do the parentheses first. It'll be 5 plus 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. All right, 6, 6, 6. We can do it as the one example I showed you earlier. 6 plus 6 is 12, minus 6 is also 6. And another way of doing it is 6 times 6 divided by 6, which is 6 times 1, and that is 6. 7, 7, and 7, which is going to be 7 minus 7 divided by 7. Pretty easy. So 7 minus 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1, so 7 minus 1 is 6. All right, I'll change color, otherwise it'll be difficult to understand. 888. So for this one, this was the most difficult one. It took me a long time to figure out. And that's why Perren makes fun of me also and says that I've taken a long time to solve this puzzle. 8 plus 8 is 16. So fourth root of 16 is 2. Sorry, instead of plus, I should have a minus because I need a 6 and not a 10. So which is 8 minus 2 is 6 again. This is, I think, the most complex one for 8. And then we'll move on to 9. 9 plus 9, and then I divide that by square root of 9. So let us see, 9 plus 9 is 18. What is square root of 9? 3. 18 divided by 3, 6 again. So I try to fit all of these in one page just so it makes some sense to you. But on every one, as you can see, that I have gotten an answer for 6. So technically, Perren, I have roasted you, and I hope you feel the burn. So I hope you had fun watching the video and it made some sense. I challenge you to come up with some other ways for these numbers to get a 6, and I'll have a special prize or a giveaway for a student who's able to do that just for fun. See, math is fun. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.